Hello everyone, how are y'all today? Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today I'm going to show y'all a quick decorating arrangement you can use in your kitchen, dining room, living room, anywhere. I do like to go antiquing. I like to go to thrift stores. I like to find all kind of goodies. So let me show you what I found. And I just love it. Turn you down right here. Okay, let's get you more on the project. Okay. So I had found on Facebook Market about an hour from where we live, this lady was getting rid of a whole box full of silver. And I got a really steal of a deal on it. So this was one of the platters that was in there. Isn't that beautiful? I'm not gonna clean it. I'm not gonna, if it's tarnished, I like it that much better. So this is just a Lazy Susan. I just put it on there just for decorating purposes. To be able to move it around and arrange my stuff better. So this is lamb's ear. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, anywhere. And it was on a garland. So this is some I had left over, and I didn't need very much, so I'm going to use it on this project. And you can use any kind of greenery. I had at first pulled this out, and that's pretty too. But I really just need just enough to go around a candle. So I'm going to get it to stay here. You can put a piece of, and that's what I may do, is just put a little piece of wire in there. Cut that off. I have, I like to buy the little sticks of wire, floral wire in Walmart. I've got rolls of it, but those little sticks are just handy. Alright, I'm gonna get my pliers. Just twist it so it's tight and snug. Snug as a bug in a rug. Because we don't need a whole lot. We just need enough to go around this candle that I've got. It's battery operated. And I have some, I'll put the link in the description where I get my candles on Amazon. And they're remote control, and they're on a timer, so they'll stay on 4 hours or 6 hours, or ever how long you choose, 8 hours, and then they'll go off and come back the same time the next day. If they're on 4 hours, they'll wait 20 hours and they'll come back on for 4 hours. So I think that's really neat. So anyway, I'll drop the link in the description. Now, does your sweetheart ever get you roses? Look at how beautiful those are. Aren't they pretty? So, don't ever throw your dead roses away. I'll always let them dry. And I decorate with them. I've made potpourri with them. All different things. You can make little wreaths with them or whatever. So anyway, I wanted to make this look elegant, and there's probably a formal way to dry your roses. Listen, I just let them dry, that's all. And so some of the little baby's breath. So you just use something, you know, that you already have. You know, and I'm not beyond going and buying myself some roses just to let them, you know, enjoy them, and then put them in an arrangement. I'm not above that. See, you can use these little petals to put in a potpourri. I'm just cutting some of the little baby's breath that came on it. This is so elegant and so pretty. And You can leave it like this, or we have a little twist coming to it. Isn't that pretty? It's just so dainty. I think I want one more little piece. Okay, here's the twist. Dollar Tree. This one was white, and I got to thinking they did have black ones at one time, but they're glossy. So I painted this one with a black matte finish, and I like the matte better. So if I'd have bought a black one, which ours did not have any, but if I had bought the black ones when they did, I would have painted it to get that matte finish. And this is the lid off of another piece of silver. Now, if I'd have had one a little bit smaller, I would have used it, but it's not going to bother me that it's hanging over a little bit. And if I ever come across a smaller lid, I will get it. But look how pretty. I'm going to raise you up so I can give y'all the full effect. Change hands here. There we go. And with all the bright lights, I don't think you can see the candle, but it's flickering. Isn't that pretty? It's just dainty, elegant. Get you up close. I absolutely adore it. I think it's precious. Just something different, something that you can't go to the store and buy. It's your own design. So, you know, pick out your own flowers, your own greenery, your own, and get to crafting and make it unique and make it yours. So if y'all haven't subscribed to me, hit the subscribe button and click that bell. And every time I upload a new video, YouTube will let you know. So I appreciate y'all being here. Thank y'all. I love you all, and I'll put the link to the candles in the description. And y'all have a great day. And until next time, y'all get to crafting and let me know what you make. Go over to Facebook. I have a group. It's Rachelsuniquecrafts VIP. Join the group, and you can post your pictures of things you make. And then we can all ooh and ah over them. Thank y'all. See y'all later. Good night. Goodbye.